All right, we're just gonna let everyone pile in real quick. We should start around in 2 minutes.
All right, can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's begin. Just give me 1 minute to get everything set, and we'll begin around 1:30.
Something weird happened.
All right, is everyone ready? Okay, let's begin. Okay, so let me get right into it. So my name's Anis Suresh. I'm the head of operations and co-founder of Mites. And today we're going to be doing an online class with a programming language called Scratch. So let's hop right into it. So a few things before we start the class. This class will cut off in around like 40 minutes. So what I want you guys to do when the class cuts off, just go back to the email I sent around 11:30 and just click on the link again and it'll put you right in the class. And if my internet cuts out during the class, I should be back in around 2 minutes. So just don't worry about that. So yeah, let me just start sharing my screen. All right. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So everyone just don't be shy to unmute your mic because I won't be able to check chat. So if you ever have a question or are like confused or something, just unmute your mic and I'll help you with that, guys. All right. So the first thing I want you guys to do is head over to scratch.mit.edu. And if you haven't created your free educational account, just go ahead and create it. And just let me know when you guys are all done with that.
Done. So what do we do?
Just head over to scratch.mit.edu. And if you guys haven't created an account, just go ahead and create an account and we'll get started.
I already have my own Gmail and Google account.
Yeah, okay. So I want you to like go open Google and I want you to head over to scratch.mit.edu in the URL bar. And I want you to create a Scratch account. if you haven't already. All right, just please unmute your mic and let me know when you guys have all done that.
I did it.
All right. So everyone should be done with that. So everyone should be at this page right here. I want you to head over to the top left and hit create next to the Scratch logo. Just left click on create.
Come on, can I take the class?
Okay.
All right, is everyone on the screen over here?
Yeah.
All right. So we should be set to go right now. So today we're gonna be programming the game called Snake. So who here knows what the game Snake is?
It's with that thingy that eats the.
The apple.
That eats the thing.
Yeah. All right, so for you guys who don't know what the game Snake is, I'm just gonna pull it over here on Google. So it's a really simple game. It's basically where it's just a snake that eats an apple, and every time it eats the apple, the snake gets bigger. So that's a key concept we're gonna try recreating today. So let's get right into coding this. So the first thing I want you guys to do is where it says untitled/3, I want you guys to rename that to Snake because it's a game we're gonna be creating.
Hold on, where do I go?
Scratch.mit.edu and hit create.
Oh, okay, all right.
All right, let me know when you're done with that.
I'm a little bit behind. Where do I go?
What step are you on?
I've logged in. And I'm
Have you
on
logged
the-
into Scratch?
Yes.
All right, I want you on the top left, there should be an icon that says create. Can you hit on that?
Yes.
All right, so are you on this page now?
Yes. It's still loading.
All right. Just let me know when you load in.
And then
All right, so are you on the screen?
yes.
All right, so everyone should be on the screen. So now we're gonna move to like the first step in coding this. So what you see right here, what?
I can't find the button at the top that says snake or whatever that.
So now I want you to go up to the top. It should say untitled, and I want you to replace that with snake.
It does not say untitled.
What does it say?
It says nothing. It doesn't say anything like you.
All right, just it doesn't matter what it says. Just type snake where it's supposed to be. All right, have you done that?
No, I can't find any button at the top.
All right, just never mind that. We can skip that step for now. So you're on the screen, right?
Mhm.
All right, so let's move into our first step. So I'm just gonna explain the basics and the fundamentals of the program before we start. So what you see on the right is actually like a cat, right? And this cat is called a sprite. And a sprite is any object or character we're gonna be coding with. So I want you to go ahead and there should be a trash can button on the top right over here. I want you to just delete that sprite. Okay, so once you guys have done that, I'm just gonna run you through all like the blocks and codes. So Scratch is a program where rather than actually typing out the code, they provide you with a lot of blocks, and then you drag those blocks onto this white plane over here, and you can make things move and you can code different things. So let's just get into it. So this blue thing over here, motion, basically you can move your sprite wherever you want. You can move any object wherever you want. The looks, you can change the looks of it, the size, how big you want it to be, things like that. Sound, you can add different effects and such. Events, basically that's what makes the things move, and you can use keyboard controls and things like that. Control is going to be the section which we use the most, and basically you can repeat code with that. You can make things wait, you can repeat stuff, you can put it in forever loops and things like that. And then sensing is also kind of where you use your keyboard control, so you can make your mouse do different things, you can make your arrow keys do different things, that type. Operator is kind of like the backdrop of everything, so you can type different code and make it do different things. And then variables. So today we're going to be creating different variables. So let's just hop right into it. So I want you guys to first go over to your events tab and drag when green flag is clicked onto this white plane over here. All right, so once you guys have done that, I want you to head over to the bottom right where it says choose a sprite. I want you to go up where it says paint and click that. All right, let me know if anyone's behind or any of that.
What'd you do after dragging on when green flag is clicked?
I want you to go to the bottom right and click paint. Where it says choose a sprite, go up and click paint.
All right.
All right, so are you on that screen?
Yeah.
All right, so basically what we're gonna do right now is just paint a very, very basic snake. So where it says costume 1, I want you to rename that to snake. And where it says sprite 1, I also want you to rename that to snake. And hit enter on both. And I want you to change this color to green because in the actual game, the color of the snake is green. So just change it. It doesn't matter what shade it is or any of that. Just make sure it's the color green. Okay, so once you're done with that, I want you to select this tool on the very bottom. It should be a rectangle. I want you to go ahead and click that. And I want you to zoom in. So there should be a circular arrow in the middle right here. I just want you to zoom in into that circular arrow. And make sure you're aligned with that arrow. And once you're at the step right here, just create a simple square like such. And it should be around this size.
Okay, hold on. Wait, how do I get to the sprite thing?
Okay, so on the bottom right, there should be an icon right over here where it says choose a sprite. Go up and
Yeah.
click paint.
All right.
And then just change the color to green and make sure it's a snake on both places.
Anish, would you mind slowing down a little bit?
Yeah. All right, I'll give you guys a minute to get caught up. And let me know if you guys are behind on anything. I'll slow down. Tell me if you want me to slow down or any of that.
How do I zoom in?
So on the bottom right over here, can you see my mouse?
Yeah.
You see how there's a magnifier glass and it has the plus sign and then it says the minus sign over here? Just click the plus sign and you can zoom in.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right, has everyone made a green square?
Yeah.
All right. Everyone just unmute when you've made the green square and just say like yes or I made it or something like that, just to make sure that I know.
Yes.
Hold on.
Yes.
How do I make the square?
How
All
do
right,
you
so-
make the square? How do you?
All right, so at the very bottom over here, you see where my mouse is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a rectangle tool and just click on that and create
Okay.
a square around this, like this size.
Oh, okay.
And I want you to drag that square towards the middle, just anywhere towards the middle, just like over here.
All right.
All right, so has everyone done that?
Mhm.
Okay, now I want you to head back to your code. So everyone's over here on this step.
Yeah.
All right. So now go over to your events tab and grab when green flag is clicked and drag that out over here.
Okay.
All right, so everyone has when green flag is clicked, right?
No, I'm still a little behind. I don't see where to make the green square. The green square, I can't see the rectangle at the bottom.
I did
All
it.
right, hold on, give me 1 minute. Let me just delete this real quick and do it again with you. So let's just start from square one where I said that. So what I want you to do is go to the bottom right where it says choose a sprite, click paint, right? You're on this step over here.
Yeah.
All right, rename these two to snake. Have you done that?
No, wait.
All right, go ahead and do that real quick.
The sprite name thingy, it's not, I can't click on it.
You can't click on it. There
No.
should be an empty section towards the right and just click on that.
I know, I'm clicking on it. It doesn't let me type anything. It doesn't show the keyboard.
Do you mind sharing your screen real quick?
Okay. So share content. It says only the host can share in this meeting.
All right, give me one. Okay, wait, just tell me what step you're on. So where are you right now? You're on the screen right over here, right?
Yeah.
All right, so what is it not allowing you to do?
No, I'm on in the side. You said next to the sprite, it says there's a blank space.
Yeah, right over
can't-
here, right?
Yeah, I can't click on that blank space.
She's maybe she's using a tablet or a phone.
Yeah, what are you on a laptop?
No, I'm on an iPad.
All right, so some steps might be different. I'll help you work around that. So just never mind that. It's not really required. But can you change the color to green and make a square?
How do I make a square?
All right, so you see where my mouse is, right?
Yes.
All right, so there should be a tool in the very bottom. It should be in the shape of a square right over here.
Wait, let me see. Nope, not here.
There's no square shape over here.
Nope.
Hold on. Give me 1 minute. All right, can you hold up? I'm gonna give you permission to share your screen. What's your name?
Rumana.
All right, let me give you permission. Is it not letting you share your screen? It
No,
should be in the
it's still-
bottom. It should say share screen.
It's on the really top, but it says still only the host can share in this meeting.
All right, give me a minute. Can you try now?
Still. Only the host can share. Okay. Okay. Now, can you see it?
No, I can't.
Okay.
All right, can you try again?
Okay, I'm saying share content. Okay, I'll say. Okay, share screen.
All right, is your screen sharing?
Zoom, I click on Zoom, start broadcast. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
All right, I can see
So-
your screen.
Okay, can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it. Now head over
So
to Scratch.
here, I'm here.
All right, yeah. So you know where it says Sprite on the bottom right?
Yeah.
I want you to tap on that and make that snake. Where it says name, right next to Sprite, just tap on that and make that say snake.
I'm tapping on it, it doesn't show any keyboard.
All right, it's fine, it's fine. Just move on to the next step. So you already have the square tool selected. So just make a square.
Okay.
Anish, she's not signed in. Maybe that's why.
Hold on.
Look on the top right. It says sign in for her. So she hasn't made an account yet.
Have you not made an account?
What do you mean make an account?
I told you the first step is to make an account.
How do I make an account?
All right, how about this? So after the class on our YouTube channel, we'll have a video posted, and just check back on that video. And if you're missing steps, it'll basically be on there. Because I don't want to keep the other people waiting.
Okay.
All right. Do you mind unsharing your screen?
Okay. Stop.
All right.
So do I just wait now?
Yeah, just wait. You can actually leave the meeting. We'll have a YouTube video uploaded after this class is over. Just check on that YouTube video, and it'll basically give you a tutorial how to make it.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right, sorry guys. So has everyone already made their snake?
Yes.
All right, let me just
Yeah.
do that real quick. All right. Okay. So once you're done making the snake, just head over back to code. And I want you to grab when green flag is clicked and drag that on over here. So has everyone done that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go over to the motion tab. And I want you to go to X and go to Y. It should be this block right over here. And snap that under when green flag is clicked. Let me know if you can't find the block or anything.
Mom, what are you doing?
I can't find the.
I think you're
I can't find the block.
I'm not, Mom.
So you can't find the block? Who can't find the block?
Me.
All right, so you went to the motion tab, right? It's in blue.
Yes.
And the block should be right here. You see where my mouse is? It should be under random position. Should be right here.
There's no random position on mine.
Wait, what's your name?
Rayon.
All right, Rayon. Are you sure you're on the motion tab?
Yes, I'm sure.
And it should be right here. It should definitely be. You're on your laptop, right?
I'm on a Chromebook.
Okay, yeah. So it should still be there. So it should be under go to random position. It should be right over here.
Can I see that screen?
Can everyone else get that block?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Are you still having that issue, Rayon?
Yes.
All right, give me 1 minute.
What?
Do you mind sharing your screen real quick?
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Let me give you permission.
She said she's gonna call.
No. She said, "Okay, call madam. School is important."
I don't
All right,
know.
can you share your screen?
I don't have a number.
Check. I've given you what has to be done.
Oh, and if you're not speaking, do you mind muting your mic? All right. Okay, Rayon, head over to your motion tab. So, all right, go down a little bit. I want you to click on events. And then click on the blue block. So go to the left and click, don't scroll, just click on the blue block.
Scroll down.
No, don't scroll. Go to the left and click where it says motion.
Here.
Yeah.
I think the person has to click like the white area next to the where it says when green flag is clicked. If you click on that, I think it'll add all the blue blocks.
Yeah, try what he said. Click on the white area and then click on the white area and click on emotion again.
Here, and then motion.
Yeah. Wait, go down a little bit. I think you might have done the first step wrong. Just scroll down go to the right and scroll down.
Here.
Very right.
Here.
Yeah, now scroll down.
I can't scroll.
Okay, how about this? Can you go back, so you see in the top left where it says scratch?
Yes.
Can you click on that? All right, I want you to hit create and basically just repeat what we did before. So do you know what we did before?
Yeah.
All right. Let me just make sure you do it properly because I want everyone to be able to make the game. All right, delete the cat sprite. All right. Now go to where it says paint a sprite. Click paint.
Here.
Yeah. I want you to name where it says sprite 1, name that snake, and where it says costume 1, also name that snake.
What do you think of the grass?
Yeah, named untitled snake also.
And here too?
Yeah, snake. Now select your color as green, so where it says fill, make that green.
And then,
Now create, zoom in to your little circle aim arrow, and now click the rectangle button and just make a simple square.
okay.
All right. Now I want you to center that square. So you see on the right side, just drag that towards the middle area.
Like that?
The right side. So you see your square on the very right side. Yeah, drag that to the middle. You can click, no, not over there. To the middle of the plane on the right. No. You see the, okay, wait, stop, pause. Zoom out, where'd you put your square?
Okay.
I want you to put that in the, so delete that other square. So click on that other square.
I can't click on it.
All right, just delete the sprite and start over again.
You can just press undo.
All right, now just create a simple square where it's, you see the arrow in the middle? Just create a square. A small square, so make it smaller. All right, now head back to your, no, way smaller, a little smaller. All right, now head back to your code section. On the top left, hit code. Click on that.
Yeah.
Stage selected, no motion blocks.
The person's thing where it says show on the bottom right, it doesn't have the snake underneath it. The whole thing like disappears.
What you say?
For mine, it says like under show, it shows snake and then a green block there. But for the person, it doesn't show that.
Yeah,
It's
that's the issue they're having. I don't know why it's saying that. Can you
It's for the
rename that sprite
stage.
to snake? Yeah,
I think it
why?
shows that they're on a stage.
Yeah.
If you hover over that, then go to paint and then back to code. And that stays up on stage.
Can you make sure your sprite is selected?
What do you mean?
Go down, go to the right and go down.
Over here?
Oh, I know how to do it. They have to press backdrop next to code, and then they have to delete the backdrop second one or the first one.
Yeah.
No, on the top left next to code, it says backdrops. Just click on that. And delete that backdrop. So hover over where it says backdrop 1 on the top left, and then
Rename it.
click on it, and then press delete. Not the name, on the top left underneath code.
Underneath, here.
Yeah.
Over it.
Click on it.
Click on it.
Right click on it.
There's no delete button for the person.
Okay, how about this, Rayon? So after class, stick around after class and I'll help you with this, all right? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, so I don't want to keep everyone waiting, so after class, I'll personally help you with this. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right, so do you mind stop sharing your screen?
Okay. Did I stop?
All right. All right, can everyone see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So has everyone gone to the motion tab and clicked go to X0 and go to Y0?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so now let's test that out. So you see this green block right over here? If I put that anywhere randomly on this plane, so if I put that in the bottom left and I hit the green flag, it'll always go to the dead center at 0, 0. So is that working for everyone?
Wait, let me just add it back because it went away.
Yeah, it's working.
All right. So if it's working for you guys, now I want you guys to head over to the variables tab. So go to the left and click variables and click make a variable and name that variable direction. Let me know when you guys are done with that.
I'm done.
All right. Let me just wait for everyone to confirm they finished it.
I'm done.
All right. Okay, so now I want you to get this block over here. It says set direction to 0. I want you to drag that under the blue block and snap it right over here. And where it says set direction to, I want you to make that set direction to right rather than 0.
All right.
So once you guys have done that,
I can't find where the direction is.
yeah, so I want you to click make a variable and make your variable. It should, and then name that variable direction.
Okay.
So go to the variables tab and click make a variable and name that variable direction.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Yes.
Now do you have that directions block?
Yes.
So get that set direction to block, snap that under the blue block, and instead of replace the 0 with a right.
Okay.
Have you done that?
Yes.
All right, so now we can move on to our next step. So what I want you to do is just zoom out a little bit just to keep everything organized, and then drag this to the left. And now I want you guys to go to the events tab and get when space key is pressed, and then go back to your variables tab and get set direction to and snap that underneath. All right. Everyone could find those blocks okay?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Where you get the set direction to right?
Yeah, get the set direction to from the variables tab.
Variables are
Have you gotten that?
set to right. One space. Okay. I got it.
All right. So now where it says when space key is pressed, I want you to click on that drop down menu and make it so when it says when right arrow is pressed. And then make that say set direction to right.
Can you do it?
Okay.
Okay, can I go now?
Okay.
Do you guys minding muting your mic if you're not talking? All right. So is everyone on this step? It should say when right arrow keys pressed, set direction to right. Is everyone on that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So now I want you to right click on these two blocks. So just right click and hit duplicate. Not like this. So drag that out, delete that. I want you to right click at the very top and hit duplicate. So it should duplicate these. And I want you to duplicate that 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. So at the end, you should have 4 of these. Let me know when you guys are done with that.
I'm done.
All right.
I'm done.
Okay,
You have to
that's
do
great.
it, like up, down, left, and right.
Yeah, I'm going to get to that, Pradeep. Just give me a minute.
All right. Yeah.
All right. So has everyone done that so far?
Yeah.
Okay, so if everyone's done that, I want you to make this when left arrow is clicked, and I want you to rename that to left. And I want, for the third one, I want you to make it when up arrow is clicked and rename that to up. And for the last one, I want you to make it when down arrow is clicked, and I want you to rename that to down. All right, let me know when you guys have finished that.
I'm done.
All right, Pratik's done. Is anyone else done?
Well, right curve.
Again, just let me know if I'm going too fast or any of that.
Left arrow, set direction to left.
I'm almost.
When up arrow key is pressed, set direction to up. When down up. All right.
Finish.
All right, is everyone done with that?
Yeah.
All right, so that's perfect. So now I want you guys to test that out. So you see in the top left where it says direction, right over here?
Yeah.
All right, so whenever you, now let's test this out. So if I'm correct, when you click the green flag and you click the up arrow, instead of saying right, it should say up. And if you click the right arrow, it should say right. And when you click the down arrow, it should say down. And when you click the left arrow, it should say left. So let's test that out.
Yeah.
Up, right, down, left. Just make sure all of those are working. If they're not, let me know. So what that is doing is it's basically sensing your keys.
I don't get it. Can you repeat that part again?
So you see on the top left where it says direction, you see my mouse?
Yes.
I want you to click the green flag, and I want you to click the up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, and left arrow, and make sure all of those are saying those that the arrow key is being pressed. Is that working?
Wait. Oh, okay. So I clicked on the green flag, and then I put the up arrow.
Is it saying up? On the top left where it says direction, is it saying up when you click the up arrow?
No, it says right.
All right, hold on, give me 1 minute.
Right.
Do you mind sharing your screen for a minute?
Well, I'm on a different. I mean, like I'm talking. The screen's on the iPad. Like I'm connected from the iPad, but then I'm doing the work on the laptop.
All right, hold on.
The direction says right.
So can you just look at my screen and make sure everything is what it's saying right now? So just make sure your screen looks exactly like my screen on the code section. Just look closely into the code and make sure everything's correct. Because if you mess up one thing, it won't work.
Set direction to right. Okay, when green flag clicked. When right arrow key pressed. Set direction
Oh, hold
to
on.
right.
Did I make the square too big? Or is it all right?
Wait, what'd you say?
Did I make the square too big?
Just make sure it's this size, the square size. Like, just don't make it too huge. Just like make it look like this.
But is this all right?
Let me check your screen real quick. Hold on. Oh, that's way too big. You gotta make that go way down. So
I'll fix it.
edit the sprite.
Okay,
So go to-
so everything's the way it's supposed to be.
Is it working now?
It still
So-
says direction right.
All right, is this good?
Wait, give me 1 minute, man. Hold on. Can you make it a little smaller?
All right.
Oh, okay. So I clicked the right button and it says right, and I clicked the left button and it says left, and then I keep going up and down and it says the same thing.
Okay,
Is
that's
that-
exactly what we need. You're all caught up. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, that square size is good also. All right. Okay, so is everyone finished and everyone's on this step now? They've had all their 4 blocks done and all the keys are
Yeah.
sensing?
Yep.
Yes.
All right, perfect. So now the next step I want you guys to do is head over to control, and I want you to scroll down and get when I start as clone and drag that out. Has everyone done that?
When
Yeah.
starts.
Yeah.
When
Where
I
is
start as clone. All right. Now I want you guys to scroll up and get wait 1 second. And I want you to replace that 1 with the 0.1 or 0.1 should be fine.
All right.
So where do you find the when I start as clone?
All right. So I want you to go to the control tab and scroll down and it should be right there at the very bottom of the control tab.
Okay, it says when I start as clone.
Yeah, exactly. That block.
So, and then wait.
1 second. It should be at the very top of the control tab.
Okay, so I found it. Let me
And
just,
I want you to replace that 1 with 0.1.
okay.
All right. Have you done that?
Almost 0.1. Okay.
All right. So now I want you to scroll down and get delete this clone and put that under the wait 0.1 seconds. And I want you to drag that whole thing all the way on top over here.
So delete this clone. Put it right there and then drag this thing. Oh no, wait.
Has everyone done that?
Nope, not yet.
All right. One person's done it. Pratik, have you done it?
Yeah.
All right. Is anyone having issues so far?
Nope.
And then what do I find? Delete this clone.
It's at the very bottom of the control section. All right. All right. All right. So everyone's set now?
No, not yet.
What are you missing?
I'm missing delete this clone.
It's at the very bottom of the control section. So head over to control and scroll down and it should be the very last orange block.
So put that right here.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, you got it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's move on to the next step now, guys. So I want you to go back to control and scroll up, and I want you to find this block that says forever and drag that under where it says set direction to right. So drag that right over here and snap that in place.
All right.
All right. So just to give you guys a heads up, this is the most complicated part of the project, but after this, it gets really easy. All right.
Forever and move.
So everyone drag the forever block over under set direction to.
And that right here.
Okay, who hasn't done this yet? No one? Everyone's got it? All right. So let's move on to the next step now. So I want you to head over to the operators tab. It should be in green, and I want you to click on that. Oh, okay. Before we do that, I want you to head over to the control tab and get this block over here. It should be under the forever loop tab. It should say if blank then, and I want you to drag that inside the forever loop, right? Like so. So again, under where it says forever, there should be a block that says if blank then, and I want you to drag that inside the forever loop we have placed down. All right. Say yes if you've done that so far.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Everyone's done it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's move on to the next step now. So go over to your operators tab. It should be in green. Just click on that. Go to operators. And I want you to get this block that says blank equal to 50.
Control F.
Again, just go over to operators tab. It should be in green. Scroll down and get this block that says blank equal to 50. Make sure it says blank equal to 50. All right.
Put that right here. Okay.
You got it? All right. So now I want you to head back to where it says variables and get your direction variable and replace that with the blank.
Variables. Direction variable. Replace that with the blank. Okay.
All right. Everyone's got that? Say yes if you've gotten it so far.
Yes.
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 All right. That's perfect. So now I want you to
Yes.
replace that 50 with up, with the word up. So UP, just replace that with UP.
UP. Okay.
Okay. Everyone's gotten that?
Yes.
Now head over to motion, click on motion, and I want you to get this block over here. It should say change Y by. I want you to drag that block right over here.
Change Y by.
And make sure it's change Y by, not change X by. Make sure it's change Y by. Say yes if you got that.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
All right, everyone's gotten that. So by default, it should say change Y by 10. I want you to replace that 10 with 5.
All right.
Okay, so everyone knows why we use the change Y by block, right? We change
Yeah.
Y by because if you're going up, you're going through that Y axis, not the X axis, okay?
Mhm.
So now I want you to right click on where it says if. I want you to right click that and hit duplicate. And I want you to take that if block and drag that underneath right over here. Make sure it's still in the forever loop, but drag it under the other if.
Mhm.
All right, everyone's gotten that?
Uh-huh.
No.
Again, this, what?
No, I'm not.
All right, I got it.
What step are you on?
Okay.
You got it?
How do I duplicate the whole thing?
So, can you see my mouse over here?
Yeah.
I want you to right click where it says if, and I want you to hit duplicate. Can you do that for me?
Okay. Duplicate. Oh.
And I
Okay.
want you to drag that underneath if.
Underneath it. Okay.
All right. So this is probably like the most important thing you have to make sure. So I cannot strive how important this is. Can you check, everyone look at my screen real quick. Make sure this is not inside the other if block. Make sure they're two different if blocks and they're both outside of each other. So they're both individual. Can everyone see that?
Oh
Yeah.
no, mine's wrong then.
All right. Because you know what? If it's wrong, it'll look like this. It'll be inside. You don't want that to be. You want it to be outside, right over here. That's the most common problem in this project.
Oh, okay. I did it.
All right, everyone's gotten that? So now it's pretty basic. So instead of saying up, I want you to make that say down. And the opposite of 5 is -5. So make that say -5 and click enter.
Down. And then this one's supposed to say -5.
Correct.
Where's the negative? -5. Okay.
All right. So has everyone done that? Say yes if you've done that so far.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, I did.
All right, let's move on to the next step. So now I want you to duplicate this again. So duplicate, click on if over here. You see where it says if? Right click, hit duplicate once, and drag that underneath the if block. Again, make sure they're individual. So there should be 3 if blocks outside of each other. None should be inside of each other.
Okay.
Has everyone done that?
Yes.
I want you to replace where it says down with a right.
And then we're going to do it again.
All right, no. This is the important part. Ready? You see this blue block over here where it says change Y by? I want you to take that out of the code and throw that to the left, and it should automatically delete.
Okay.
Has everyone done that? Okay,
Yeah.
now I want you to get the change X by block.
Change X by.
Yes, because when you're going right, you're going on the X axis rather than the Y axis. That's why we need the change X by block.
Okay, so put it where that Y block should have been.
Yeah, except the Y block is now gone, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Now I want you to change where it says change X by 10. I want you to replace that with change X by 5.
Okay, 5. And then we're going to do change X by -5.
Yes. So again, just go over to the if and then duplicate. And like you said, make that say left. And now make this say -5. And I'm going to give you guys a little bit to do that.
So I have 4 ifs now.
Exactly. All right. So make sure, again, I cannot strive how important this is. Make sure they're all individual each other. Don't make them inside of each other.
Okay, keep that. Perfect.
All right. I'll wait for everyone. All right. So now, the final thing I want you to do on this is go to your control tab, scroll down, and it should say create clone of myself. I want you to drag that underneath the if block. So right over here.
Create clone of myself. Create clone by myself of myself. Okay.
Everyone's got that? Everyone say yes when you've done that.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
All right, so now I'm going to ask you guys for a favor. So I'm going to stop sharing really quickly. And I just want to make sure everyone's doing this properly so it'll work. So I want everyone to share the screen. And I know 1 or 2 of you can't share your screen because you're on the phone or something. That's fine. But for the others who are on laptops, just make sure to share your screen. So I want to see you guys.
Okay, can I go first? Can I go first?
Everyone just share at the same time. Hold on. I should make it. Yeah, I made it so multiple people can share.
I'm on a different device.
All right, it's fine if you're on a different device. I just want to like everyone who's on a laptop or an iPad, just share your screens so I can see.
How do I turn my?
All right. Ibrahim, can you zoom out a little bit?
I can't really share my screen, but I'll try to.
Yeah, you can just show it with your camera. That'd be fine too.
Okay, so.
Wait, hold on. Okay, Ayesha Khan. So can you just make sure to organize everything? So just drag it to the right and make them all individual each other. So just drag everything to the right. Yeah, exactly like that. Just drag it to the right. I don't want anything overlapping each other.
Hello.
All right.
Like
So
this?
wait, hold on. Can you give me 1 minute, Rumana? All right.
Okay.
So let me just check this code first. So when right arrow keeps pressed, right. Okay, so you made one mistake. So Syed, where it says wait 1 second, I want you to replace that with the wait 0.1 seconds.
Where is that in mine?
Oh wait, hold on. Let me check whose screen I'm watching real quick. Yeah, Ibrahim. So where it says wait 1 second, I want you to replace that with the wait 0.1 seconds. At the bottom right. The bottom right. Underneath when I start as clone. Change that to wait 0.1 seconds. That's very important. Have you done that? All right, that's perfect. Now let me move on to the next person. Okay, can you move, hold on, give me a minute. Rumana, can you, okay. Where's your when I start as clone blocks?
What?
Where are your 3 blocks where it says when I start as clone and wait 0.1 seconds? Where are those blocks?
Wait 0 seconds?
Can you scroll up?
Oh, okay. Those are up.
All right, can I see them real quick? All right, that's perfect. All right, that's good. That's good. Now let me move on to the next person.
Okay.
All right. Okay, everyone else should be good. So,
Excuse me. Hello.
Yeah.
Can I share my screen? I just I don't know what to do after create clone of myself, and then what is the 1 point or 0.1 thing that I have to do? Hello.
Hello. So
yeah, my internet disconnected. Make sure to.
yeah, so Anisha's internet disconnected. He'll be on in about a minute. Just give him a second.
Oh, okay.
Is everyone doing good so far? Are they all caught up and everything?
Yeah.
All right, can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
All right, my bad. I told you guys in the beginning of
Excuse
class
me?
my internet will connect. Yeah.
If you're supposed, when you run this program, is anything supposed to be moving, or is
If you
it
click the green flag, things will be moving. So, can everyone see my screen real quick?
Yeah.
All right. Wait, what you say before? You said something about something moving?
Yeah, like, so if you click the green flag, is the green square supposed to move, or is it supposed to stay still?
Yeah, so I'm about to tell you guys about that. So I was just about to, before my internet cut out, I was about to tell you guys to test the code. So I want everyone to click the green flag and make sure everything's working. So as you can see, if you click the arrow keys, it should give you like an illusion of a snake. Is everyone's screens looking exactly like this?
No,
Like, is your screen moving like this? You said no?
Mine isn't also.
mine isn't either.
Hey, give me 1 minute. I'm gonna ask you guys to share your screens real quick. Can you guys share your screens?
It's working.
Agassi, you can go first.
I'm using it for my iPad and coding on my laptop, so I can't share my screen.
Can you just show your video and then show me your screen through that video?
Okay, sure. How do I reverse? Oh yeah, never mind.
All right, can you hit the green flag? Can you hit the green flag and start playing? Hit the green flag and then click your arrow keys.
Yeah, nothing is working. Oh, the keys just get like highlighted with the green out, like a yellow outline.
All right, can you keep the camera a little steady? I can't really see, it's kind of blurry. Hit the green flag again, let me see again. Is nothing working when you click the arrows? The block is not moving?
No, nothing is.
Okay, so stop sharing your screen really quickly.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is what I want you to do, all right? I'm gonna give you like 2 or 3 minutes to do this. So I'm gonna zoom out of my code, right? Make sure every single thing is like, just make sure like triple check everything. So make sure everything like to the tiniest detail is correct.
Okay.
Hold on, let me drag everything down for you to see. Make sure everything's correct, all right? Like look, like even the tiniest details, make sure all the coordinates, everything's correct. Can you say yes if it's working for you?
Okay.
Okay, wait,
this
is
is
it working for
strange.
everyone else?
It's letting me go
not
up
yet.
and down, but not side to side.
Okay, so I think I know your issue. Wait, what's your name?
Rumana.
Rumana, okay. So can you see my screen really quickly?
Yeah.
Said it's letting you go up and down, but not side to side, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you see these last 2 if blocks?
Yeah.
You see where it says change X by? Can you make sure it says change X by, not change Y by?
Yeah, it says change X by, but on the last if, it says right.
What do you mean it says right?
Like the last if block next to direction, it says the equal sign, it says left, right. So
Okay, so I want you to change that to left.
Okay. Left. Let's see.
Can you try that again now?
Okay, so let me try to go up, down, side. Yay, now I can go.
All right.
It's a cool, yay.
So who was the other person who was having issues earlier?
Oh, that was me. Nothing's happening yet. No.
Did you make sure every single thing is correct? Like when green flag is clicked, go to X, go to Y, 0.
Yeah.
Direction goes up. So is
Yeah.
nothing moving at all?
Nothing is moving at all. Like only like when I click the flag and when I'm clicking the arrow buttons, like there's a small highlight of the blocks. Like I don't know how to describe it. Like nothing is moving, but the functions are getting highlighted.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. So it's only the so you're saying the 4 little blocks on the left are being highlighted, correct?
Yeah.
So when you click the green flag, is like the huge block on the left being highlighted too, or no?
No, not at all.
All right. So can you make sure there is a when green flag is clicked button?
Yeah, I had that. I have that on. Yeah, when green flag.
You have a set direction to right block also, right?
Yeah, set direction to right.
All right. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over it with you. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna point out every single little block, and you're just gonna tell me if you have it or not. All right?
Okay.
You have when green flag is clicked, correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Go to X. 0, go to Y 0, right?
Yes. Yeah.
You have set direction to right.
Yeah.
You have the big forever loop block, right?
Oh, the forever. Yeah. Yeah. I have it. Yeah.
All right. You have that if it should be in green, direction equals up, and then change Y by 5, right?
Yeah.
And you have if direction equals down, change Y by -5, right?
Yeah. Oh wait, I think I see. When you like I had to type in the word direction in the green thing, and in the orange, like you know where the green slot is, where direction
Yeah.
is equal to up, direction is equal to down. I had to type in direction. Should I have is there a direction
No,
function?
you're not supposed to type direction. All right, so can you go over to your variables tab really quickly?
Okay, yeah.
Do you see a block that says direction?
Oh yeah, yeah, I see it.
Okay, so I want you to drag that for everyone instead of typing it. I think that's your issue.
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry
All
about
right,
that.
no, you're fine. I just want to make sure it's working. So let me know when you're finished with that. I just want to make sure your snake is working for you.
Oh, hold on. Is mine working correctly?
Who said it's not working correctly? Oh, yeah, yours is working correctly, Syed.
Right?
Yeah, yours is working exactly how it should be. All right. Pratik, is yours working correctly?
Yeah.
All right. Let me know when you switch to the direction block for everything.
Yeah, I fixed mine. Yeah, it's working now.
Can you share your screen really quickly, or show me your screen? I just want to make sure it's working
Yeah,
properly.
So
With the green arrow and play. Okay, exactly. Okay, that's great. That's great.
okay.
Working properly.
Thank you. Yeah.
No problem. Okay, so you guys have completely finished the actual snake mechanism now. So now this is everything from here is actually really, really simple. It should be done in another 10 minutes, all right? So what I want you guys to do is go over to where it says choose a sprite, and rather going to paint, I want you to actually click choose a sprite. And you should be on the screen now. Let me know, say yes if you've been loaded into the screen.
Yes.
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 All right. So now on the top left, there should be a search bar. I want you to search for Apple and click enter. And once you've clicked Apple, I want you to click on this thing where it says Apple. Just click on that, and you should be loaded right over here.
Mm-hmm.
Is everyone on this step?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. What?
Is everyone on this step now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys 1 minute to just make sure everything's correct. Again, let me know if I'm going too fast or if you're having any issues.
Another one.
All right, is everyone at the step? Just say yes if you're done.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got the apple.
Okay, so as you guys can see, this apple is completely huge compared to our little snake, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's go ahead and change that. So first thing I want you guys to do is go over to your events tab and get when green flag is clicked and drag that out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I want you guys to go to where it says it's purple and it say looks. I want you guys to go to looks. Now I want you to scroll down and get set size to 100% and drag that under the when green flag is clicked. So again, get that set size to block. It should be in purple right over here.
All right.
Say yes when you've gotten that block.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So by default, it should say set size to 100%. I want you guys to change that to set size to 15% and click enter. All right. Now, when you click the green flag, our apple should go to exactly 15%. Well, let's check that out. Boom. So that's a lot, like that's a perfect size for our snake to eat the apple, correct? All right. So when you click the green flag, is your apple at that size now?
Yeah.
All right. Everyone say yes if you're done with that.
Yes.
Oh, hold on, give me a sec.
All right.
Yes.
All right, everyone's done that? Okay, so now it gets really simple from here. So I want you guys to go to your motion tab and get the block that says go to random position and snap that under the purple block. So like so. All right. Let me know if you can't find that block, all right? All right. So is everyone done with that?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I want you guys to check that out. So just click your green flag and now your apple should go to a different position every time. So it goes over here. I click the stop. I click green flag again. It goes over here. So the computer will randomly generate coordinates and it should go to that coordinate every time. To a different coordinate every time. It's not working?
Yeah.
Well, hold on,
Alright.
hold on. For some reason, the snake, it got smaller.
The snake
not
got
the
smaller?
Yeah.
Not the apple. Okay. Oh, okay. So let me see your screen. Can you share it real quick?
All right. The snake's too small. How do I fix it?
Hold on. Let me go over and see this. Can you go to the left? Can I see your code real quick?
All right.
He's
You go
on the
down.
snake. He needs to go add an apple in a different scene.
Yeah. So go to the right and click on apple.
All right.
All right. You have everything correctly. Wait. Can you show me your snake size again?
Okay.
That should be the correct size of the snake.
What, the
That's how it's
size?
supposed to be. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
All right.
It depended on how big you made your sprite. So it's all down to preference. So if you want your snake to be bigger, you know how earlier I made you edit your sprite and make the green box bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want it to be a little bigger, just click edit and make that box a little bigger. Make your
Okay.
green box a little bigger. So just do that right now. And then show me when you made it bigger.
Something happened to my screen.
Yeah. Is that the size you want it to be?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
What'd you say?
Something's wrong with my screen.
What do you mean
Something-
something's wrong with your screen?
Like the things that you put, they went away. Can I just put them again?
Can I see your screen?
It's the same thing as yours, except that the 3 blocks that you said, I put them, but then they vanished.
Okay,
do
so I
just-
think I know your problem. Can you share your screen real quick or show me your screen?
Okay. Start the video.
All right, perfect. You made an extra sprite. I want you to delete that sprite. So go to the
Which-
bottom right. Go to the wait. Show me your screen again.
Okay.
All right, I want you to go to the bottom right, and you see
Blue?
what's highlighted in blue. Yes, correct. I want you to click the delete button on the top right there.
Oh, okay.
All right, now I
Then
want you to
delete.
click on Apple. On the bottom right, I want you to click on Apple.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Are you 3 blocks back now?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
So if I click on snake, then shows the one that I did for the snake.
Yeah,
If
so
I
right
click
now
on
we're going to go on
Apple-
Apple.
Okay.
Correct. So let's stick on Apple right now. And let me share my screen again. Okay, everyone can see my screen, correct?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So now I want you guys to go over to your control tab and grab a forever loop. Like we did before, just grab a forever loop right over here and snap that under the go to random position. Let me know when you guys have grabbed that forever loop.
Yep.
All right, got it.
Go to random position.
I'll give you guys a minute to catch up if you haven't caught up. Tell me yes when you guys are all caught up with everything I've done so far.
All right.
Yes.
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 Okay, everyone's caught up now. So now once you get if blank then block, it should be right under the forever block. Get this block over here and drag that inside of the forever loop.
All right.
All right. Now I want you guys to head over to sensing. It should be in like a turquoise color. Go over to sensing, right over here, and get touching mouse pointer. Drag that inside in between the if and then. So right over here.
All right.
Has everyone done that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now when you click that drop down menu, and instead of clicking mouse pointer, I want you to click snake.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so now this is an important step. I want you guys to go over to your variables tab, all right? And click
All right.
make a variable and name that variable length.
Length. Length.
Done.
All right, everyone's done that? Say yes when you've created that variable.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
All right, so now once you get this block that says change direction by, I want you to get that and snap it under right over here.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
And now I want you to select length. So where it says direction, click that drop down menu and select length rather than direction. So click length over here. And then instead of saying by 1, I want you to make that by 0.1.
All right.
All right.
Come
Let me know when
on.
you guys have done that.
When?
I did it.
All right. So this is a really important step. All right. We're almost done, by the way. So I want you to scroll down, and you know how you guys are on Apple right now, right? I want you guys to go back to snake. So click snake.
Oh no.
And now this is really important. Go back to your variables tab and get the length block. And you know where it says wait 0.1 seconds? I want you to make that wait length seconds.
0.5. Wait, I'm a little behind.
All right, can I let me know what step you're on? What step are you on?
Okay, I need to change the direction to length. Okay, I finished doing that. Now what do I do?
Wait, can I check on your progress really quickly? Can you show your screen?
Okay.
Okay, make length. Can you go back to your snake tab now? Click on snake.
Okay.
Okay, now scroll up a little bit on your code. Just scroll up. All right, so you see where it says wait 0.1 seconds?
Yeah.
Can you drag your length block and replace that with length? So take your length block on the left, right?
This one?
Correct. That one. Drag that to where it says 0.1.
Okay.
Drag that on top of the 0.1. Perfect. Okay. So now you're caught up. So is everyone on that step? Everyone
Yeah.
should be on the snake tab, and instead of saying wait 0.1 seconds, it should say wait length seconds now. Say yes if you've done that.
Yes.
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 All right. Pratik, have you done that?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I want you guys to head back over to your Apple. So click Apple again. And now these are the final, this is like the final block, okay? Go back to motion, all right?
Mm-hmm.
And get that go to random position block and snap that under the orange block right over here. And make sure that's all inside of the if block. So like so, it should look exactly like this.
Hey guys, I think the Zoom meeting might end in a minute, so join back using the link in the email.
All right.
Okay, so has everyone done that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now you see on the top right, you see where my mouse pointer is?
Yeah.
I want you to click on where it says full screen, all right? And now you should be on this tab over here.
Where I didn't get what you. Oh, okay. I see the full screen. Okay.
So everyone zoomed in?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Now just click the green flag and make sure everything's working because the game should be finished now. So every time you eat the apple, you see how your snake gets bigger and larger every single time?
My snake just gets longer before I even touch the
Yeah,
apple.
my snake does it before I touch the apple. It just grows long.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on, let me show you.
Let me check your screen really quickly.
I ate the apple, but
Okay. See, I see your problem, all right? Hold on. So you see on the top left where it says 90, click stop, click the red stop sign.
Okay.
All right, so you see where it says length?
Mhm.
I want you to triple click on that. Just
Okay.
keep clicking, just keep clicking. It should give you a menu. Click
What, it's
on
not,
length. Click on length, not the orange box. Click on length.
Oh, I fixed
not giving me
mine.
anything.
Hold on, give me 1 minute.
If
I'm
you
clicking.
hold it down or drag the
Oh.
length part all the way to 0.
Yeah, drag that to 0. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, now can you try playing?
My snake just starts
Oh, it works now.
getting. My
It works now?
snake,
Mhm.
My snake just gets longer and longer and longer.
Exactly, that's how it should be.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah.
Okay. So can everyone look at my screen really quickly?
My snake just gets longer and longer.
Yeah, that's how the game works. Every time you eat the apple, the snake gets bigger.
No, she's talking about the problem me and the other person had.
You're saying the snake is, okay, can you see my screen really quickly?
Yes.
All right, so I want you to go where it says length. I want you to triple click on that. See that? Just keep clicking until it gets you to this menu right over here. Are you at this?
I can't. No, it doesn't let me. Okay, I'm trying to click, but it doesn't let me click. It doesn't show anything.
Click on the number. Triple click the number.
Yeah, the orange box right here. Just click on that.
I clicked on it. It doesn't show me any menu.
Can you show me your screen really quickly, please?
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to go on the top right, zoom out.
Okay. Zooming out.
All right. Now what I want you to do is you see on the left of your game, right?
Yeah.
I want you to triple click on that orange box.
Okay.
Now triple click on the orange box again. Now I want you see that slider. I want you to drag that all the way out down to 0. Down to
Done.
0. No, 0. Yeah, 0. All right. Now I want you to try playing again.
Okay. So it's on 0 now. Let me just start.
Now click the green flag.
Green flag.
Try eating the apple really quickly.
How? It's really okay.
All right. See, every time you eat the apple, the snake gets bigger. That's exactly what we want.
It gets longer.
Yeah, that's the game snake. It's supposed to get longer.
All right, for me, it's like, I have a question. For me, it's like not even eating the apple. It just like goes over the apple.
Oh, okay. Can I see your screen really quickly?
Yeah.
He has to go on the apple and change if touching snake.
Yeah. So is it at mouse pointer right now? See, wait, hold on. If touching length, random position. Can you try playing the game? Can I see your issue really quickly?
Yeah. See, like it goes over the apple, but like.
Stop really quickly. Let me check. 0.1 was set size to 50%. Position. Okay, can you go over to your snake tab?
Okay.
Let me check. When green flag is clicked. So everything's working except every time you hit the snake, it's not getting bigger, correct?
Correct.
All right. Okay, can you see my screen really quickly? Hold on. All right, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't really see the problem that's happening over there. So just to make it simple, can you just delete everything? You're selected on Apple, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just delete everything and put it back in place? Because I think it might be an issue with the actual program.
Okay. And I changed like the size and stuff. Do you think that is what the problem is?
It might. So did you change the size of the snake?
No, of the apple. I made it size 30.
Okay, put that to 15%. Set size to 15%.
Oh, the set size, yeah, that's at 15%, but I'm like talking about the actual size when you click the apple.
What do you mean?
Like, do you see your size like right there?
Where? Oh,
Yeah.
size? Make that 15.
Okay.
Can you try playing again?
Okay. Oh, the apple just got a lot smaller. Yeah, it's still not working.
All right, so can you just right click and click delete and then just redo it? Just make sure everything's what it says over here. Because I think you might just have to restart, something like that.
Okay.
Just let me know when you're done with that. But for everyone else, other than him, is the game working?
Yeah.
All right. So it's working like the game is. So that's basically the end of the project. I hope everyone had fun coding with me. And we're going to have another two classes in this course. So if you guys had fun and like learned a lot from this class today, just go back on that Google form you signed the first time, and you can just put in the other two classes if you'd like to attend. We'll be learning how to make, like, you know how we made the game Snake today, right? We're going to make the game Flappy Bird for next class. And for the last class, we're going to make the Chrome Dino game. So I really enjoyed teaching you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed learning from me. And if you check that email I sent you guys earlier, we have a COVID-19 fundraiser. And it'd be greatly appreciated if you guys donated to that to help like the pandemic and things like that. But at this time, you can leave. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for attending.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, just try resetting it again.
Okay, so what do I do after this again?
All right, so I'm gonna show you my screen really quickly. All right.
Okay.
All right, can you see it?